haka arpo arterik ubnai John usnam siajar praspa saphuai u Rev Thomas Jones lembat katnga jo u ka Ann Jones kila poi hapoh kasnong sora bar kila play ne ga yimane Presbyterian hapoh kasnong nong saulia kabadan hapoh sora balong ro ba une u Rev Thomas Jones u day u missionary u ba ka Re Wales kabadan hapoh United Kingdom kalapha ya u ha uteusnam knang ba onla banyalap yaktin jo blay hakine ki than ka ri khasi ka jongi balong ru bau ne u Rev Thomas Jones ula ai ka jing kai kiba koridor sibon ye ki pai ka ri khasi jongi ula ai ka jing kai ha ka ba kumno bantang ya u maushun lembat u doyong knang ban yo ya ka shun bat kumno ban snai ki tiar kitar ki bayade ha ka line ka rap ka riang ha ki te ki por ha ka ne ka jala ka jongi bat kham tam ka jing tho jing thar kaba kari khasi jongi menta kile nang ban pule puthi lane ban pinyo ay ka jing kai yala de ling ba ka jing tho jing tar ka ba ne Rev Thomas Jones ula ai ka jing kai yangi na do ki te ki snam ki ba mynshwa bala ro ba ne u missionary Rev Thomas Jones ula khlat no pa dak khandri tarik ubnai September usnam sia jar praspa sap khondai hapoh ka nang ba Kolkata te hadin choka jingyap chone u Rev Thomas Jones ki pa reuniam khasi jongi ki bedai ki reuniam Presbyterian kila lechapo ka Re Wales ban lech penan buram ya ka jingdap snam choka jingyap chone u Rev Thomas Jones chapo ka te ka Re Wales badang ne pila ban i bi khasi jongi kila poi ha Re Wales bad ya u snam ki ba ki ne khasi jongi ki lech ka te ka Re Wales am shem latip.
What brings them all the way from their small land of mountains and cloud to this small land of sod and mountain is much more than a shared taste for hills and rain. They have come as to a shrine to see a plaque unveiled to Thomas Jones, a miller-turned-Presbyterian evangelist who left Beru in 1840, hoping to convert the Khasi people to Calvinistic Methodism. He and the 200 Welsh missionaries who followed him to come were not to be disappointed. By the time Dr. Arthur Hughes here left the Khasi Hills in 1969, nearly half the population had turned Christian. For over a century and a half, Khasi Christians have looked to Wales as the land of the Mother Church. But here, alas, the daughter Wales gave birth to is almost... After the service, I took the choir to see the old home of Thomas Jones, whose pioneering work began a transformation of the Khasi's world. The Welsh in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, to give them their full name, were part of that classic imperialist program. A good thrashing first, and great kindness afterwards. But as the Welsh in their kindness built, they also destroyed. Even Christians acknowledge the harm that was done to Khasi culture by the missionaries' determination to stamp out every manifestation of paganism, just as their forefathers had done in Wales.
Te takane video mtaka janmet sai syambiang pat ha ka we ka video ka ban sawan